to solve these equations, first we look for common denominator first. Okay, in another word, the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So the common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6, right? So we just write everything like this over 6. From 2 to 6 is 3 times, so the top must times by 3. So therefore must be 3x at 5. Okay, minus 2 times x is 2x, which is equal to 5. Then what I do next is I remove the bracket. In another word, I expanding it. So 3 times x is 3x. And then 3 times 5 is 15. So I add 15. Then the 2x and minus 2x. All over 6. And the answer is 5. Now, then what I do next is I collect like term. Okay, so to collect like terms is 3x, okay, minus 2x. The answer is x, right? So which is x. And plus 15, I just write it down first. All over 6 is equal to 5. Okay, then what I do, I get rid of 6 first because x plus 5 all over 6 means divide by 6. So to get rid of 6, I do opposite. I times 60 side, I times 60 side. Or you can just go this. You can just go this method. I just clear this first. So you just clear this, and then clear this first. Or you can write 5 is 5 over 1. I do cross multiply. Okay, whichever way you like, whichever way you're comfortable with. Okay. So what we do. 1 times x plus 5 is x plus 5. I mean 15. 1 times x plus 15 is 1 is x plus 15. 6 times 5 is 30. You see? Then what I do, I move this on this side. That become minus. Okay? So therefore, x is equal to 30 minus 15. So answer is 15. Therefore, x is 15. Now, number 2. So, 3/4 of x plus 3 at x over 5 is equal to 4. Okay? Now, let's make it over 6. Okay? So, a bit trickier, so you don't have to do like thinking cross multiply all the time. So over 6, right? Now, so this equation here, okay, I can write as this as well. Okay, can be written like this: 3x plus 3 all over 4 at x over 6 is equal to 4. I can write like that as well. You see? Now, the common denominator, okay, is 12. Because 12 is the lowest common multiple of 6 and 4. So therefore, I just draw a line first. This one over 12. From 4 to 12 at 3 times. So therefore, must be 3 times the top. So 3 times 3 is 9. I just write this first. So x plus 3. Okay, and then I add. Now, from 6 to 12 is 2 times. So I double. Okay, so top must times by 2 as well. So it becomes 2x. So your answer is 4. Now I just remove the bracket. Okay, so x times 9 or 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 3 is 27. So add 27. So then you add 2x. Is all is equal over 12, which is equal to 4. Right, now I'm going to collect like term, of course. So collect like terms. So 9x and plus 2x. So 9x plus 2x is 11x. Add 27 all over 12, okay, is equal to 4. Now, 4 on this side, okay, it's just like 4 over 1, okay, like this. I just do cross multiply. So 1 times 11x plus 27 is exactly the same. So I just write 11x plus 27, and then 12 times 4 is 48. sorry, so it's 48, okay? Then I move the 27 on this side, so become minus. So 11x is equal to 27, okay, minus, okay, 28 minus 20, sorry, 27 minus 48 minus 27, okay, is 21. Then what I do, I get rid of the 11, so I divide by 11, I divide by 11, this cancels it out. So therefore, okay, x is equal to 11 go to 21 is 1 time and remainder 10. So 10 over 11. Otherwise, just use your calculator, okay, and it give you the answer. Now, do another one, okay, that's question number 3. So let's say number 3. Let's say x at 2 all over 6 minus 3x plus 5 all over 9, okay, is equal to 5. Now the common denominator is 18, okay, the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18, because 18 is multiple of 6 and also multiple of 9, okay, so 18. So we just write everything down, that's 18. Now from 6 to 18 is 3 times, so therefore the top here must time by 3 as well, so that means 3 times more than 1 term, of course, open close bracket first. And then from 9 to 18 I double, so that means the top must time by 2, so minus 2 loss of 3x at 5, okay, I just rewrite the 5 a bit better, so it's 5, okay, and then is equal to 5 on this side. Now what I do is just remove the bracket, yes, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 2 is 6, so I add 6, minus 2 times 3 is minus 6x, minus 2 times 5 is minus 10, all over 18, which is equal to 5. Alright, now what I do, I just collect like term now. So 3x minus 6x. So 3x minus 6x is minus 3x. And then 6 minus 10. 6 minus 10 is minus 4. Now if you forgot your directed number, of course you can use calculator, okay? And just follow the same process. So now that's equal to 5. Then what I do, I times 18 on both sides because I want to get rid of the 18 down the bottom. So what I do here, I times by 18. See, you notice I do this method, sometimes I do the other method. It's just pick the method that you like, okay? So I'll get rid of this 18, I do this. So now what I have left is minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 5 times 18, okay, is 90. Just use your calculator, 5 times 18, you get 90. So now I'm going to move the minus 4 on this side, become plus, right? So minus 3x on this side, you're left with 90 plus 4, your answer is 94. You see? Now, to get rid of the negative 3 in front of x, because minus 3 times x, so get rid of it by do opposite. Divide by minus 3, divide by minus 3, this disappear. So therefore, okay, therefore x, okay, a negative, positive or negative, give a negative. 3 go to 9 is 3 times. 3 go to 4 is 1, remainder 1. So 1/3. Okay, so my answer is x is equal to negative 31 and 1/3. Okay, now let's move on, doing the last one. Okay, you're doing very well and thank you for watching, alright? Okay, let's do last one. Okay, number 4. So let's say 3x minus 4 all over 3 is equal to 4x minus 5 all over 5 plus 1. Okay, now the way to go about this is, first of all, I need to move this group here on the left hand side first. Okay, then I can do simplifying by adding them together or subtract them. Okay, so now we move on this side, nothing here, it means a plus here. Okay, So now we move on the side, of course, it becomes minus. So it can be 3x minus 4 all over 3, okay, is equal, sorry, not equal, of course, because I move on this side, become minus 4x minus 5 all over 5, which is equal to 1. Okay, now the common denominator of these two, okay, is 15, of course. The multiple, lowest common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. So write 15 on this side. Now from 3 to 15 is 5 times, so the top must times by 5. So 3x minus 4, okay, and minus from 5 to 15 is 3 times, so I times by 3 on the top as well. So 4x minus 5, okay, is equal to 1. Okay, now what I do next is I remove the bracket. So 3 times 5, 5 times 3x is 15x. Okay, I just move up a bit, and then what I do, 5 times minus 4 is minus 20, and then 3 times minus 3 times 4 is minus 12x. Minus 5 minus 3 times minus 5 is 15. 15 means plus 15. Of course, all over 15, which is equal to 1. Then what I do, I collect like term. So 15x minus 12x, the answer is 3x. So minus 20, okay, because I know the minus, actually, I highlight this with, sorry, with different color, of course. Minus 20 plus 15 is minus 5, okay, which is all over 15, which is equal to 1. Okay, and then I do times 15 on both sides because I want to get rid of 15 down the bottom. I times 15, that disappear. So your answer is 3x on this minus 5 is equal to 15. Then I move the 5 on this side, which give me 3x is equal to 20, right? And then I divide thing by 3 both sides, so x is equal to, now divide by 3 go to 20 is 6 times 3 is 18, remainder 2, so 2/3. Okay, now if you're not sure, just use your calculator, of course. So the answer is, therefore, x is 6 and 2/3. Okay, now what I want you to do, I just give you 3 questions, okay, just 3, and see if you can do it, okay, and I'll give you the answer, of course. Now the first questions, okay, I want you to try yourself, okay, x plus 5 all over 2 minus x over 3 is equal to 1. Okay, of course, the answer of this is x is equal to negative 9. Now, number 2, okay, so this one here, number 2, 4x plus 1 all over 3 minus 2x minus 3 over 5 is equal to, I write the 5 properly, so 5 is equal to 4, okay, and the answer for this one is x is equal to 3 and 3 over 14. Now, last one, number 3, 2x at 2 all over 4 minus x minus 3 all over 6 is equal to 2, and the answer for this is x is equal to 3. Okay, please try those, see if you get the same answer on the right hand side here. Thank you so much for watching my video.